Hi, I'm Dr. Mary. You can be thin, wear normal clothes, and still have dangerous fat silently growing inside your body. This is visceral fat. It's an invisible danger wrapping around your liver and heart, threatening your health from the inside. Today, we peel back the layers of this silent threat to reveal what's really happening in your body. Visceral fat is stored deep within your abdominal cavity. Unlike regular subcutaneous fat, the kind you can pinch, this type directly affects your heart, metabolism, hormones, and even your lifespan. It is far more than just a storage unit. It is a constantly secreting active organ. Understanding this biology is the first critical step to defeating it permanently and reclaiming your internal health. Today, I'll show you what belly fat actually is, why most people fail to lose it, and a simple science-backed plan you can start today. No detox teas. No extreme diets, just biology and long-term sustainable change. We will break down the chemistry of your body and build a new roadmap for your health. Let's dive deep into the science behind the strategy. Not all belly fat is created equal. Subcutaneous fat is the soft fat right under your skin. But visceral fat is stored deep behind your abdominal wall, wrapped tightly around your organs. These two types play completely different metabolic roles. One you see in the mirror, the other you only feel through its impact on your long-term health. Understanding location is key to understanding the danger. This deep fat behaves like a rogue endocrine organ, releasing inflammatory chemicals called cytokines. These cytokines enter your bloodstream, damaging your arteries and triggering chronic insulin resistance. Your body becomes inflamed from the inside out, creating a fertile ground for modern diseases. Your own fat becomes the aggressor against your vital systems. Chronic insulin resistance makes it difficult for your body to process sugar, creating a cycle that leads to even more fat storage. Unless you unlock this biological key, losing this fat through just eating less is nearly impossible. We need to crack the code of your insulin response to turn your metabolism back into a high-efficiency fat-burning furnace. That's why doctors care more about your waist size than your weight alone. The scale is a blunt tool that often hides the metabolic truth. You can be thin on the outside, fat on the inside, a condition known as TOFI. Your waist measurement is the most honest indicator of your true metabolic health and internal organ risk. Measurement is the first step toward effective management. Belly fat accumulation isn't just about lack of willpower. It's the result of modern lifestyle signals telling your body to store emergency energy. Your body is trying to survive a perceived crisis, but it's receiving the wrong messages from your environment. We have the power to replace these with the right biological signals. This is a communication process, not a battle. The first major driver is calorie blindness. Most people don't overeat intentionally. Liquid calories, unconscious snacking, and the steady increase in portion sizes quietly add hundreds of hidden calories daily. This bombardment disrupts your energy balance. Awareness is the only way to end this metabolic blindness. Knowing exactly what you eat is your first step to metabolic freedom. Second, insulin spikes. Frequent consumption of refined carbs keep your insulin chronically high, telling your body to stay in storage mode. This is a biological prison for your fat stores. To open the door, we must control insulin through specific food choices. Low insulin is your absolute master key to consistent and sustainable fat burning every day. Third, low muscle mass. Muscle is metabolic currency. The less you have, the slower your resting metabolism becomes. Muscles act like a glucose sponge, soaking up sugar before it can be stored as fat. Protecting and building your muscle permanently increases your body's energy expenditure. Your muscles are your greatest ally in the fight against visceral fat. Fourth, chronic stress. Under stress, your body releases cortisol, which is biologically programmed to gather fat in the abdominal region as a primitive survival instinct. Stress in your mind literally manifests as fat on your belly. Calming your nervous system is vital for your metabolism. Stress management is a necessity. Fifth, poor sleep. Sleeping less than 6 hours increases ghrelin, your hunger hormone, and decreases leptin. Insomnia is a giant physiological trigger for belly fat. While you sleep, your body repairs and regulates fat-burning signals. Quality sleep is often more powerful than the most effective workout. Rest is a non-negotiable part of your metabolic progress. So, what actually works? Science offers us 6 powerful levers to reprogram your entire biology. We will look at each lever of this scientific plan in extreme detail. This is your new beginning. Are you ready? Let's start the transformation of your metabolic health right now with the first lever. Lever 1. Calorie awareness. This is not about being hungry, but about conscious data collection. Tracking what you eat for just 1 week naturally lowers your calorie intake by removing the mystery. A small deficit of 300 to 400 calories is enough to trigger fat burning without slowing your metabolism. Knowing what's on your plate is taking back control of your future. Lever 2. Protein intake. Protein is the most underrated but most powerful tool for fat loss. It reduces hunger signals, protects your hard-earned muscle, and causes your body to burn significantly more calories during digestion. Having high-quality protein in every meal keeps your metabolism in constant burning mode. This is a biological necessity. Lever 3. Fiber. Fiber is the #1 enemy of visceral fat. Target 25 to 35 grams daily. Think of fiber as a protective shield for your metabolism and a broom for your digestive system. It keeps you full longer and balances your blood sugar levels perfectly. True metabolic health always starts in the gut with high-quality nutrients. Lever 4. Walking. Daily walking targets visceral fat directly by lowering insulin and stress simultaneously. 7 to 10,000 steps is the most sustainable and effective method for long-term results. Walking isn't just about the calories. It's about clearing your mind and activating your entire metabolic system. Just walk. Lever 5. Resistance exercises. Lifting weights fundamentally changes how your body manages and stores energy. Muscles act like a glucose sponge, keeping your insulin levels low and stable. Just 2 to 3 sessions a week of simple strength training will take your metabolism to the next level. Strengthening is the most permanent and effective way. Lever 6. Sleep and stress control. Your fat-burning hormones work silently and efficiently while you sleep. A dark room and regular sleep hours improve your internal fat-burning signals. Managing stress is directly managing your cortisol levels. Resting is not a sign of weakness, it is a strategic metabolic strength. Treat yourself well. Where do we start? Here is a simple but effective 2-week plan to reset your biology. Week 1 is awareness. Walk every day, add protein to your breakfast, and sleep earlier. Just follow and watch what you eat without changing anything yet. This is the foundation of real, lasting change. Trust the data you collect this week. Week 2 is about momentum. Add resistance training twice a week. Replace sugary drinks with pure water, and add vegetables to every meal. You will notice your body feeling lighter and your energy rising. That subtle relief around your waist is more valuable than any number on the scale. Success is very close now.